YouTube Shorts is the ultimate growth tool in 2025. And today, I'm sharing the secret formula to grow your channel faster than ever. All you need to do is follow these tips and watch the magic happen. The first and most important thing is the hook. The first 3 seconds of your short decide everything. If you don't grab the viewer's attention immediately, they'll scroll away. So start with something bold, a surprising fact, a thought-provoking question, or a trending concept. Next, let's talk about length. The ideal duration for a short is 15 to 45 seconds. The key here is to be concise and impactful. Cut out anything unnecessary and make every second count. Now, don't underestimate the power of trending audio and ideas. The YouTube algorithm loves promoting content that taps into trends. Look for popular sounds or viral ideas in your niche and use them creatively. At the same time, make your videos mobile-friendly. Ensure your text is bold and readable, and your visuals are sharp and engaging. Finally, consistency is the game changer. Posting 4 to 5 shorts a week can massively increase your visibility and engagement. The more regularly you show up, the more the algorithm will push your content to new audiences. So there you have it, the secret formula to grow fast with YouTube Shorts in 2025. Start applying these tips today, and you'll see the results in no time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your journey in the comments. Let's grow together.